Oh my gosh, who do we have here today?
We got John.
John, what are we doing?
We're jumping.
He's coming. The airplane's coming. He's right here. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Scared, nervous, excited?
I'm loose.
Whose idea was this?
I'm loose. This was his idea.
So it's your fault that this goes wrong. We don't make it to your next birthday. Any last words, final comments, confessions?
None.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burned all buried in the desert. Let's go have some fun. High five.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Woo! Come over here. Here's our airplane. You ready to get in, get up, get out? This bird, not too fun. Go on the skydive. Next time we see you, we're blasting off out of this thing. Woo! You are crazy. Woo!
Ready?
I'm ready. Fun?
I did have fun.
Pull the right one down, all the way down. All the way down. Come on.
Oh, God.
That camera. Hold it down.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Up.
Oh,
All
God.
the way up.
No.
Just a little left. Come on, a little left. A little more than that. A little more. Come on, make it turn. Here we go. Come on, a little more. Yeah. Keep going. Hear that. What do you think? Was that fun or what?
That was fun.
You did great. You gonna do that again?
I think so.
Next time you come out, I'll let you play with my balls, okay?
All right.
High five.
Oh, yeah.
It's Skydive, Santa Clara Springs. Yeah.